Okay, so we have a pair of parallel lines. They could go on forever and never cross, and then we have a transversal. Now you're going to notice that we have 8 different angles here, and they only give us a value for one of them. But I want you to show that you can actually solve for all 8 angle measures if you only know one. That's the cool thing about transversals and parallel lines. So this is 61 degrees, and we're going to circle all the ones that are going to be congruent. So these are vertical angles, so they will be congruent. This will also be 61 degrees. These are opposite interior angles, so this will also be 61 degrees. And then we would call these corresponding angles because they're in the same position relative to the parallel lines. This is above the parallel line and above the parallel line, so those would be called corresponding angles. So we know this would be 61 degrees. So you're going to have to tell the angle measure, and then you're going to have to give a reason why. So that's why it's really important to look at the previous PowerPoint and get all those definitions really secure in your brain. So we've solved for 4 of these angles, but how about the other ones? Well, we learned that supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. So we could say 61 plus this angle would equal 180 degrees. 61 plus x equals 180. Now we can subtract 61 from both sides and find out that x is equal to 119. Okay, so then we could say this is 119 degrees. And we know that because these are supplementary. These are vertical, so we would say that's 119 degrees. These are alternate interior angles, so that would be 119 degrees. And then these are vertical angles, or you could say these are alternate exterior angles, so you would know that that would be 119 as well. Pretty cool how with just one angle measure you can solve for 8 angles.